Eggs are incredibly nutritious and are often referred to as nature's multivitamin. They contain a wide range of vitamins, minerals, high-quality protein, and good fats. The nutrients are mostly found in the yolk, while the white is mostly protein. Contrary to popular belief, eggs do not raise cholesterol levels or increase the risk of heart disease. In fact, they can actually improve cholesterol profiles by raising good cholesterol and changing bad cholesterol into a less harmful form. Eggs are also a great source of choline, an important nutrient for the brain, and contain high-quality proteins with all the essential amino acids. They are loaded with antioxidants that protect the eyes and may reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, eggs can be helpful for weight loss as they are satiating and can reduce calorie intake throughout the day. It's important to note that not all eggs are the same, and it's best to opt for omega-3 enriched or pastured eggs for maximum health benefits. Eggs are versatile and can be enjoyed at any meal. They are quick to prepare, rich in protein, and satisfying. For breakfast, you can make a simple scramble or sunny-side-up eggs. For lunch, a soft-boiled egg can provide a protein boost. Egg recipes are also great for special occasions like brunch, with options like frittatas or breakfast casseroles. Appetizers like deviled eggs are always a hit. There are a variety of egg recipes, including brunch-worthy dishes like shakshuka and caprese eggs benedict, Southwest-inspired breakfasts like breakfast burritos and migas, unconventional omelettes with unique flavors, hearty breakfast bowls, snack and appetizer options like pickled eggs and deviled eggs, and egg recipes for lunch and dinner. These recipes are easy to make and satisfy your egg cravings. So there you have it, a variety of delicious egg recipes to enjoy at any meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipe ideas.